Hello everybody. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Skype. To know how to find a solution about Skype, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that you'll enter to Skype and you will click here. Then this page you will click on force stop and you will click OK. After that you'll enter to storage. Then you click clear cache. In the end you can go to Play Store. If you will find here in this blue sign update, then you can click to update your application as you see here. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.